received a message from the scaled of imposters lurking there.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel
We're all safe, without a doubt. It's crashed there, past the clouds. Heard of it, lights flicker out.